Aloha, fellow eaters. Today we'll be having Nature Valley peanut sweet and salty nut granola bars here on. Welcome to FoodzFolkz, helping you find your food and remembering the good times when we ate them. If you're new here today, mahalos for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourish us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We have timestamps so you can skip to the video and the parts you want to see. Oh, here we go. Wow. It feels light. That. Mm-hmm. That's how it looks like. Yeah, you guys ready? Here we go. Mm. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at that. Mm. Mm. Wow, so good. I gave this a 4.9 out of 5 stars. Yes, it is sweet, salty, and peanutty. Good peanut butter, good sweetnesses. I don't know if that's honey or some type of syrup that's glazed on this. I believe that's like Rice Krispies or crackers. Yeah, we are not too sure what snack seeds are those. Oh yeah, granola. Nice peanut butter here. It melts, starts to melt quick. Mm. So all around smooth, and peanut butter and nice crunchy texture to it. Sweetness is good in this one. Thank you, folks, for watching. And for more Foodz Unboxes right here, folks. And for other foods right there. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks.